Taking a look at my vegetable garden after the rain. Start to put tomato on. Nice tomato. Some peppers. Scotch bonnet pepper. Tomato. Some sweet pepper. Looking very good. Callaloo. Got a lot of callaloo's. Some more tomato. Lot of callaloo. That's my pumpkins. Pumpkin look good. And I see pumpkin. There's a lovely pumpkin there.